Morning guys, Mallory here. I'm at, what is it called? Vandala Nature Preserve with my beautiful mama. Say hi, Mom.
Hi. Let's go for a hike.
Yay! It's early in the morning. It's a beautiful, clear, crispy morning. Look at this. Cool, huh? So we're gonna go poke step. Yeah.
Just don't suit me. Hey, I put some new shoes on and suddenly everything's right. I said, hey, I put some new shoes on.
Pit stop while my mom pees in the woods. She only brought enough toilet paper for herself. Good job, Mom.
I'm running late and I don't need an excuse, 'cause I'm wearing my brand new shoes. Woke up late one Thursday and I'm seeing stars as I'm rubbing my eyes, and I felt like there were 2 days missing as I focused on the time. Then I made my way to the kitchen, but I had to stop from the shock of what I found. A room full of all of my friends, all dancing round and round.
I don't know. Maybe it was breakfast. It wasn't breakfast cornflakes. But you go BC, that means black cherry and something cornflakes.
Take me wandering through these streets where bright lights and angels meet. Stone to stone, they take me on. I'm walking till the break of dawn.